The PolynesianPro Black Tiki torchlight brings ambience and functionality to outdoor spaces with its dual-purpose design. Combining a real flame torch with low-voltage area lighting, this fixture is perfect for decks, docks, patios, and gardens. Crafted from extra robust cast brass with a durable black powder-coated finish, it offers long-lasting durability and stability. The extra-large Tiki hat and stem provide wider illumination coverage compared to traditional path lights. It accepts G4 bipin lamps and features a thick woven wick for large, long-lasting flame. The built-in reservoir allows for citronella oil use. Keeping insects at bay, this fixture is backed by a hassle-free lifetime warranty, making it a stylish and reliable choice for any landscape.